Yo, it's Codes here, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at two external storage devices. We got the SSD from Sandisk, and we got the hard disk drive from Transcend. And we're going to be looking at this too. Can't wait to unbox them, so let's get it.
Okay, so we have the two storage devices, and we are going to be unboxing the hard drive first. It has a seal, and right here we're going to get it off using the scissors. Careful when you're trying to cut this. Maybe get a knife, that could be a bit better. And yeah, the packaging seems good. It's properly not rough or anything, and getting it out smoothly. We can immediately see the hard drive. It looks good and it feels really good. It has this soft touch feel to it. You can see the cable, for like fast transfers and everything. This is a 2 terabyte hard drive. We have some paperwork as well in the package. So yeah, in the package we have the hard drive, we have the USB cable. That's basically what's in that package. The hard drive feels good, feels sturdy. And now let's see what's in the SSD. This is the Sandisk 1 terabyte SSD. Same thing, it's sealed with the same single tape. You could get this with the scissors. Be careful. Probably use a knife like I said before, but that's quite easily done. The package seems to be in a good state as well. And right there, this is so small, so tiny. Oh my god, it feels so good. Like, it feels so small, like you just feel like holding it. This is really nice. I haven't had an SSD, an external SSD before, so it's a new experience. So this also has a USB. Also, it's a USB type C cable, but it has an extension so that you could plug into a normal USB A port. Yes, but this is really tiny, and there is not much more in the box, just paperwork as well. And there we have it. This is the SSD. See how tiny it is. I'm holding the other cable, I don't know why. So this is the SSD and this is the hard drive. See the difference in size. Though the SSD is 1 terabyte and then the hard drive is 2 terabytes, but the difference in size, but the SSD is faster, which is where technology is just a funny thing. It's quite interesting. The close-up shot, the Transcend, this is how it looks. Really good, really sturdy. I could attest to longevity. It actually is quite sturdy. The SSD as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be testing this out over the coming weeks, and yeah, so yeah, that's the 2 of them.
Alright, so how do you decide whether to get a hard drive or to get an SSD, or whether you should get both? So it really depends, So if you're looking for, I like to call it external storage, you're not going to be using this all the time. You just want, storage to store, let's say, videos or some of your files, and you're not going to use them on the fly. I would definitely recommend getting the hard drive. Why? Because it's cheaper. You can get more space for a cheaper amount. But if you want an extension, storage extension, you want to be working off of an external storage, definitely get the SSD, because you don't have to save things on your laptop. You can save things here and work directly on this SSD, and it works so well. It works as if, so I call it the storage extension versus the external storage. This is external storage. Look at this on the external storage. Look at this as a storage extension. Do not get this for an external storage. This is too expensive. If you're just going to store things and just keep it, don't use this. If you want to use this while you're working, while you're editing the video, while you're playing, you can store games here actually and play games off of it while it's connected, and it works really well. So think of this as a storage extension. Think of this as external storage that you wouldn't want to use on the fly. You just want to store information for long term. Thank you for watching this video, and if you made it here, I love you so much. Thank you. You're the reason why I'm here. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. Leave a thumbs up, put on post notifications if you want to see more videos like this. Ring the bell icon. Do everything that you gotta do. Do everything you gotta do.